Hmm. She is finally here. Let's see what we've got under here. She definitely needs a good cleanup in here. This connector is heavily oxidized. I need to clean this up. This is a specific part for the McLaren. Complex design, extreme precision. We must inspect every single millimeter. Let's see if we can get it fixed. Initializing the scan on node 4. All systems are reading normal now. Let's see what's going on under here. The carbon fiber chassis looks completely clean. No signs of stress or wear on these mounts. The voltage on this cell is dropping. It shouldn't be draining like this. We might have a serious leak here. I need to find that specific gasket. Let's see if it's in here. Yes, this is the one. This is where precision meets performance. Perfectly balanced, as it should be. Flawless. This carbon monocoque is incredibly light. I'm aligning the rear setup now. First, we release the safety clip. All right, slow and steady, lift it up. Watch that clearance on the left side. Perfect, hold it right there. This is the moment of truth. Let's see what's inside. No visible leaks, but we need to check the voltage. Clean rows of cells, just as I hoped. No corrosion here. This is what's causing the short. We need to replace it. Yeah, I'm looking at the McLaren box right now. I think we're missing the specific seal for the assembly. Just a little more and she is perfect. Slowly does it. Watch that left side. This panel fits perfectly on the frame. Locked and loaded, ready for the track. Systems online. Keep pushing the limits. Found inside the glove box. This leather needs to be perfectly tight. Just one more stitch and we are good. There she is, fully restored. A true masterpiece of speed. She is finally ready for the track. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.